Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Terrence Ray, and I'm back at you live from the market. We got a nice sell-off going today. I guess I'll investigate it later on why it's happening, but you guys know my motto: Who cares why? We know it's happening, right? So, how we react to large sell-offs? Right now, I just got two positions on this call spread that I had on in the SPY. Pull it up on the that I put on. It's got 29 days. I was down on this position yesterday. If you look at yesterday's video, I was in the hole. Then this big sell off today got me got me right. I'm actually thinking about rolling this position down. And only reason why I say that is because I do think that this will continue. Don't know for sure, but I'm guessing, and I'll show you why. Let's go to the VIX futures. I still think the VIX futures will pop and continue to go higher, at least go up to hit this level right here. So if volatility is going to continue to expand, then we should continue to see the SPY continue to sell off. And I think ultimately it'll get down here to right around 530. That's my next level. And with that being said, either I can hold where I'm at, right? Like I'm right here at my short strikes right here at 561, or I could roll down and pick up some premium even if I just roll down a couple strikes, right? Let's just say I did something like, and all you're doing is basically just putting the position back on where it was initially, picking up some credit, and then sitting there and letting the market work, and then working from that standpoint. Or I could stay where I'm at. um I've been mulling over, either I closed the strangle that I had on earlier. Before I get to that, I wanted to look. I'm looking at the VVX, and here's my line. This is the rock and roll line. When the VVX, which is the volatility of the VIX, gets up above 110, like, batten down all the hatches. Shut the what they call them, watertight doors. Get your helmet on. This is get your helmet on area. Once you start getting up around 110, that's letting us know we're getting ready to rock and roll, right? So volatility is expanding, um, and premium is everywhere. Now, uh, I was looking at one of the things you can do on the TastyTrade platform, right? Is I'm constantly looking at IV rank. IV rank has expanded. Right before I got ready to do this video, IV rank was at 95, I want to say 96 it was. And then now I'm doing a video, is they pumped more volatility into this and got it at 110. So if I press IWM and hit .IVR, I can see IV rank plotted on here. And what do you know? It's right up here at a level. This is this is crazy. Now so basically IVR, implied volatility rank, is overbought. So I do want to get in here and sell something. And I'm gonna sell on both sides. So I'm gonna put another strangle on, right? And I'm taking a bet that implied volatility will contract, right? Let's see. They pump volatility into these options. I'm gonna go back to the IWM. Now I gotta look and see where I want to be. Do I want to be at the fifth? I actually want to be and thinking about being a little closer around 36 days. The options here, they've even added options. I think when I came in here earlier, I don't remember seeing it look like this. I want to collect, I want to be outside of one standard deviation, right? If they pumping premium into these options, I want to be out the way. So me, I want to collect, let's say if we go 16 delta here, and I go 16 delta to the downside, I'm taking in what, 294, 295. Um, is that enough? Is that enough? And that's roughly what, $300. That's a little bit over 10% of the buying power effect. Um, we could now if I was to go a little further out, take a little bit less premium to the downside, I could go there. Or now I could go out 50 days. It's just not gonna move as fast. I can go out 50 days and get out here and come out here, collect more premium and lower my buying power amount. And it's slightly bearish. Might as well say it's neutral. I just wanted to be honest with you, I wanted to take a quick bet that vol was gonna contract really quick. I'm betting that we're gonna and that they threw it up there to 110. Let me put something on before they beat it out and take it out. So here we go. I'm going 16 delta to the downside, 16 delta to the upside. 81% probability of profit. I'm gonna take in 292 in premium. Actually, let's bid this. Let's go up about 295. Let's work this. See if I can get filled at 295. Not taking this 351. They pump premium in it. Oh no, what am I doing? Not that. Pay attention to what I'm doing. That's a different order. All right, let's see. I want to get filled. Come on now. Don't make me work for it. I'm gonna come down. I'm pennying down. Got filled at 291. Now, what they did, premium got pumped into these options right before the bell. Like we got 9 minutes to the bell. Before I came on to do this video, premium was at 96. Um, I mean IVR, implied volatility rank on IWM was right around 96. Then all of a sudden I got ready to do the video. It jumped up to 110. I don't know what happened, where that, but they actually pumped it, and you can see it's moving. It's actually contracting now, coming down a little bit, right? So I want to be in here, going into the close, which probably, let's see, let's go look at it on the hourly. So it's pulling back into here. So it's probably gonna come up into here and then sell off some more. I can see it going down some more, getting down into this range. Now, Nvidia, I'm glad I took off that iron condor. Nvidia got an IVR of 121. So they've pumped premium into Nvidia. Uh, let's see, Tesla only at like 33.8. Let's get, you guys want to see, let's get something else on. Um, I actually was thinking about getting long Tesla somewhere right in here. I want to see it close. I could see. So now my wheels are churning. Thinking about putting on a bullish position. I think all the positions I have on now. This in DR Horton. This is a bearish position. It's not doing nothing. It's barely moved. IWM is neutral to bearish. The SPY position is bearish. I was trying to see if I could find something, to go the other way. Um, but it seems like the only thing that's up is Meta. Meta is up, and Meta actually pulled back today. Let's look at TLT. TLT, I talked about this. You guys, I put this trend line on. I told you TLT looked like it's breaking towards. It is breaking out. Now how high it can go, I don't know. Um, let's go over here. Let's look at some fast movers. We really don't have a lot of green stuff on the day, which let's look at what is this? Upstart is selling off. I was trying to see if I could find something to put on that I felt good about being a bull in. And I don't mind getting long. I'd rather get long going into a down day, but I just don't see anything that I like, which is fine. This just may be, this just may be the time that the market's going to go down. I do think we're gonna still get a sell off tomorrow. Like I said, I expect the SPY to come down and take these lows out. Let's look at the SPX and see where we are on the expected move. So remember, if you go look at the weekend video, I said because the expected move was so high that we could expect large moves this week. And we could see we got them. On Tuesday, we had a nice down day, gap up the next day, up right up here, everything inside the expected move. Now look, if tomorrow it take this low out, here's the expected move to the downside, right around 53.62, right? If the SPX can break below this level tomorrow, right, it's gonna be wide open. Any one of the, once it breaks out of these ranges, it's gonna be wide open. At least that's what I think anyway. So I'm looking at IWM. I'll be looking to hopefully this IV rank, like with it being this high, we get a nice little contraction. And once I get that contraction, I'll come out of this trade. So I got 36 days on that. I got 29 on that one and 29 on that one. And then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna go live. So be paying attention. Make sure you guys are on tomorrow morning. I may do some scalping tomorrow, some live scalping. Maybe I'll trade some futures tomorrow. Depending on how the market open up, we'll come in and we might do, trade some futures. Let's see. I'll come on and do some live scalping, maybe some Forex trading. Let's see. We got a nice sell-off going. I wonder if if something came out with the earnings. I think Apple has earnings today after the bell. And I want to say Amazon too. Could we have something like a head and shoulders right here, guys? Looking at got a shoulder, head coming into this area right here. Let's see what we get. I mean, based off of this, I would be I would be looking to trade Apple if it takes out this low, goes down into this area right here. You take this low out, maybe your next level down to be right around 207. See that? That's a nice little pattern there. I think Amazon, what else? There's another one today. Amazon has an earnings call after the bell today. I think those are the last two of the big tech, because I'm looking at all the other ones. NVIDIA we still have, and NVIDIA will be at the end of this month. That'll be a big one too. Boeing, Caterpillar, we still got Caterpillar on the 6th, which Caterpillar is not big tech, but see it came down and filled this gap right here. This may not be a bad area. Put something on it. Yeah, but I was thinking about putting something on the Caterpillar. I don't want to be in any option with earnings coming up on the 6th. Let's look at the XLE. It's on its butt today. XLF. Let's go look on here. We got about a minute coming into the close, and they're buying them back up. If we come here, I'm gonna pull up that SPX right here, and then I'm gonna pull up a 1 minute chart, and we'll look at a 1 minute, 1 day. Come on for the bell. Here we go. So here we go. This is today right here. Up right around here, down. You can see towards the end of the day, which is us right around here at 249, start buying them back up. Got about 30 seconds. Now I'm banking on that strangle that I put on in IWM. I'm banking on not having to hold that long, right? Maybe tomorrow we get a little chop, get some IV contraction. Might be able to take it out for a little small winner. by about a few seconds, and we're gonna get that bell. And that's that. So hey guys, yeah, I see you, man. Apple and Amazon have earnings. Yeah, I just was going through it. That could be maybe something came out on the tape. Um, something came out early, and that's why the market moved. Um, so we'll see what those earnings look like. And like I said, tomorrow morning I'm gonna go live at the probably right the opening bell, and I might scalp some futures tomorrow. We'll see what. See if we get a big move tonight. I'm telling you now, if we get a big move tonight, I'm gonna fade at either side tomorrow. Meaning, which I still think we're gonna get at some point. We're gonna take this low out, right? Let's say we get a big move tonight and the market open up down here somewhere. I'll come in here tomorrow and try to take the other side, get bullish, and it'll be something like a quick, I don't know, maybe an option, something like if we down and you buy, a call somewhere right around here real cheap, or if we're up and then you buy a put or something like that, uh, real cheap, just banking on you getting a little quick move. Because like today, if you would have got a quick move today and you'd have bought a cheap option, you'd have made some money. Because it started out like real, I don't know, it started out real slow right around in here. Like it was just gonna be, it actually was up today, and then we had something happen, and then we just got this big candle. It just took off. So if you catch one of those moves, like something like that, you'd have bought a put, you'd have made crazy money. You like just betting on a cheap put, something like that. Same thing, vice versa with a call. Difference with a call and a put when vol is high is sometimes the volatility in the call will cause you to get a vol crush where you may not make as much money. So ideally, I like to see the market come out up somewhere up into here, and then tomorrow I'll be able to buy a put and see if we get another sell off and be able to, catch something like that. So with that being said, like if I had to if I place in a bet, I'm betting that Apple break somewhere down below this line right here, then I would take it down to, like I said, around 207. Whatever we get tomorrow, let's say earnings and they break up here, then it'll probably go up here to where this gap is and then work towards the gap fill. So above what 220, 450, you could take it to 230. Below 215, you could probably take it down maybe to around 207, 208. And that's gonna be that. Appreciate you checking in, man. And with the video, hit the like button. Um, and be on the lookout for a video tomorrow. I'm gonna go live tomorrow at opening bell. With that, guys, I'm gonna be out. Peace.